Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can work with layers in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut, and this is the main video or main track. And if you want to add layers to this project, the first thing you have to do is click on overlay button right here, then click on add overlay and select a video or photo from your gallery to be added to your project as layers. And for example, I'm going to select the video, so I'm just going to select this clip. Just tap on the clip. And this is for the first layer, and for the second layer I'm going to select this video. Then after we're done selecting the photos or video, we just need to tap on add button right here, and the clips will be added to our project. Okay guys, and if this is the main track, and this is the main the first layer, and this is the second layer. And if we want to reorder the layer, we just need to tap on the layer like this. And for example, I'm going to make this first layer as my second layer, so just tap on the clip until the clip is active. Then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find a layer like this. And since I'm going to make it as second layer, so just tap on second, then click on this check mark. Alright, and if we want to zoom in or zoom out, we just need to tap on the clip. Then we can pinch our screen like this, and I'm going to zoom out. Then for the first layer, I'm going to zoom in like this. Alright. Okay guys, and that's how we can work with layers in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.